All right, so we've got the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush. And so I love this because, you know, it's perfect for just having at home. It's very lightweight, it's small, and it works. You know, here's, this is the bottle that goes, or you fill this up with water, it goes in the back. And there's a line right there to show you fill it up with hot water. And then from there to there, you fill it up with this formula. This is what we use, the Bissell Pro Max Clean and Refresh. And we love it. So we filled that up. Now all you need to do is just clip it in here. And it's ready to go. And now basically what we'll do is, as we start going, there's a button right here. You hold it down as you push it out. You slowly push it out, and you release it, and you sort of just go over it a couple times. And you're shampooing your carpet. So I'll just do a little run through so you can see it in action. Oh, also one thing I want to add is make sure you vacuum before you do this. So vacuum it and then do this. All right, here we go. You do it one more time. 2 is usually enough, but do it again. So as you can see, gets the job done. Really nice to just have at home, and highly recommend it.